Alright, here's our homework for 4.5. So, kind of what we did in class. Mike and Gavin visited the amusement park with their science class on a school's physics day. Their tickets were stamped each time they went on a ride. Mike and Gavin spent the entire afternoon going on their two favorite rides, the roller coaster and the gravity free fall. At the end of the day, their tickets were stamped as shown. What is the cost of the roller coaster or the gravity free fall? Okay, so looking at this, I should probably notice that the only difference is one roller coaster, isn't there? So the difference in their tickets should represent that difference in the roller coaster. So we can see that 36 minus 2950 is going to be 650. So each roller coaster would have cost 650. So if each roller coaster was 650, right? And we've got 3 of them, or 2 of them, probably be easier doing the 2. Okay, that would be $13, so $29.50 minus 13 give us $16.50. So then $16.50 divided by 3, and we get $5.50 for each gravity free fall. Alright, next one. So Mallory and Meg also attended the physics day with their school. Their favorite rides were Splash Mountain and the centrifugal chamber. Here are their stamped tickets at the end of the day. Find the cost of each ride. Okay, so try to do the same kind of thing. We notice we've got 4 and 3, 4 and 2. Okay, so we're going to have to do something, a little different here. So follow me with this. What you're going to want to do is you're going to realize that, if I were to take these 4 Splash Mountains and subtract them from 3950, that would be equal to 2 centrifugal. Okay, notice we've got 2 sets of 2 centrifugals here. So I replace each one of those with this. So I'd end up with 39.50 minus the 4, and we'll just here abbreviate, for Splash Mountains, right? Plus the 39.50 minus another 4. And that represents all those. Plus we have the 3 Splash Mountains tickets, and that would give us the cost of $42.75. Okay, so that's like -8 Splash Mountains, +3, so it'd be -5 Splash Mountain tickets, plus 39.5 plus 39.5 is going to give me 79, and that's equal to $42.75. Subtract 79 from both sides, 79. And we get -36.25 equals -5 Splash Mountains divided by -5. And we get 7.25. Okay, so Splash Mountains each cost 7.25. So if that's true, then we can take these 4 Splash Mountains and times by 7.25. That'll give us $29. Then we subtract 39.5 minus 29. So these centrifugals will be 1050. Cut it in half, and it should be 5.25. So centrifugals were $5.25 each. Splash Mountain $7.25. So kind of very complex and hard to follow, but it does work out in the end. Okay. All right, let's take a look now. So write an inequality to describe the given context, graph each inequality on the provided grid, then make a table to show at least 3 possible combinations that work for each situation. So Dion has enough money to buy 8 yogurts. His favorite flavors are blueberry and strawberry. Okay, so let's think about this. To graph it's pretty easy, right? If he only ordered strawberry, it'd be 8 strawberries. If he only ordered blueberry, be 8 blueberries. So every combination in between is going to work, right? Okay, so for the number of blueberry yogurts plus the number of strawberry yogurts is going to be either less than or equal to the 8 he can buy. Okay, so there's our inequality. There's our graph. We're going to shade below. Okay, so possible blueberries and strawberries amounts. Okay, well, any of these points, right? He could go 1 blueberry and 5 strawberries. Or flip side, we could go 5 blueberry and 1 strawberry. Or we could go any of these, 4 and 4, okay? So there's some points that go along with it. Okay, Shaniqua is buying a balloon bouquet. Her favorite colors are silver and purple. The silver balloons cost $1 and the purple balloons cost 80 cents. How many of each color balloon can she put in her bouquet if she doesn't spend more than $20 on her bouquet? So we know the maximum we've got to spend is $20. So it's going to be less than or equal to that. Each silver balloon, X, costs $1, plus each purple balloon, Y, is $0.8. Okay, so if she only bought purple balloons, we'd go 20 divided by 0.8, and she'd be able to do 25. Let's call that 20. Let's count by 2s. So it'd be like right there. If we bought just silver balloons, she could buy 20 of them. So again, let's count by 2s. So 20 would be right there. She can buy any combination of that or less than. So possible combinations of silver and purple balloons could be 1 and 1, 2 and 2, right? Could be 1 and 1 and 2 and 2, right? Okay, could be 20 silver and 0 purple. Okay, those are just 3 options. But basically, any of the shaded areas or on the line would work. Okay? All right, there we go, guys.